This 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, LP detector, Slideout, refrigerator, air conditioning, microwave, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX is 6,505 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.